What's going on, you guys? My name is Andre and I'm very excited that you are watching my next video here on this YouTube channel. So in this video, I actually wanted to give you guys some tips, guidance on how you can deal with chargebacks on Facebook Marketplace. And in my personal experience on dropshipping, on Marketplace and other platforms since July of 2020, I actually saw the most chargebacks on Facebook Marketplace and specifically on shops. And despite us doing our best to describe items accurately, providing pictures, descriptions, package includes, all that section, I still have so many moments on Facebook with just customers complaining that they did not see an image of an item, or they thought an image is bigger than what it actually is, despite me and us claiming the exact size of the image and listing description, and the list just goes on. So anyway, chargebacks on shops mainly will consist of unauthorized purchase, items not as described, duplicate transactions, and a few other small things, but mainly we are seeing 90% of chargebacks being unauthorized purchase. And over the time, I have developed a template for my team and for myself on how to respond with these chargebacks. So this template has helped me personally win a good amount of chargebacks. Most of the time, you guys should not expect to win chargebacks on Facebook Marketplace, because buyers will do their absolute best to put you in a very bad light. But if you do follow my steps in the template for these chargebacks, I think you guys will find some good success. So when we receive a chargeback on shops, you do get an email notification every single time for that. So that is good. There are no issues there. And what I typically do, I just let my VA team know that hey guys, look, got a chargeback, and use this template, respond back to the buyer. My team already knows exactly what template to use. So I'm going to show you guys the structure of my chargeback template, and you guys can also use this template to your own advantage, win those chargebacks. And I do have a lot more templates, a lot more useful stuff, A to Z guide on how to dropship on Marketplace, on shops, all my knowledge, all my wisdom. I do have a Udemy course with more than 300 students enrolled. It's pretty inexpensive, and if you guys are feeling generous to support my channel and my personal experience, because this channel does not have any ads yet, so that would be a great help. So the way we structure our chargeback template, number one, we keep it very professional. We have spacing, we have hello, we have best regards, a very professional structure of the chargeback email. Tip number two, make sure you acknowledge the customer name, the chargeback issue. Tip number three, make sure you provide a tracking code that was used by the carrier and send a link to the carrier tracking website. And number four, you guys should mention that the buyer has not contacted you at all on Facebook. Most of the time, we are seeing that people who have submitted unauthorized purchase chargebacks, they don't even bother to contact us. In my personal opinion, I think they're just trying to take advantage of the chargeback system and get an item for free without having to pay for it, or maybe they just didn't like something about the item because they just didn't take time to read the description of an item. So make sure you attach a proof of that. And also forgot to mention earlier in the second paragraph of our chargeback appeal, we do mention that people had a cancellation window on Facebook, which is true. Every customer has a cancellation window where they can cancel an order on Facebook on both personal and shops. People did not do that, so they proceeded and submitted their order in good faith, meaning that, pending period has passed. So they submitted the order to us, and it was definitely not an unauthorized purchase as they claim. So you guys see where I am getting with all of this, right? So yeah, this is pretty much how we are dealing with chargebacks. I do want to keep this video pretty short because, again, it's my goal to make sure that I'm not wasting any of your time here. I'm being straight to the point. Feel free to use this chargeback template in the description below. And like I said, I do have a lot more stuff not only in my Udemy course, but also we do have a free Discord group right here in the video description below, and you can contact me anytime on my Instagram account or any other means really. So yeah, this is all I have for you guys for today in this video. I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do consider
smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell.
So thank you again so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.